Hello guys, presenting 9 variations of the popular wolf cut men. The fashionable wolf cut men hairstyle is a unique style. Although it has airy layers and a wild animalistic streak, it nevertheless manages to look fashionable. 1. Wolf cut men. The wolf cut is a combination of the mullet and the traditional shag. 2. Short wolf cut men. A short wolf cut for men provides a very smoother and less choppy finish. 3. Wolf cut mullet men. It was inspired by the mullet style to produce a hairdo that commands attention. 4. Wolf cut men curly. The curly wolf cut has a lot of natural volumes, which is its strongest feature. 5. Korean wolf cut men. It's a great technique to draw attention to your features when your hair falls gently across your face. 6. Asian wolf cut men. It is really attractive and a great technique to add texture, movement, and depth to the hair. 7. Long wolf cut men. Long layers are present in the front, which transfer to even longer layers in the rear and sides. 8. American wolf cut men. The result is a look that emphasizes more of your face and is generally less enigmatic. 9. Wolf cut with layers. All hair types, even thick hair, can have them added to take the weight off or on fine hair to make it appear fuller. I hope you choose a cute, cool, or suitable and eye-catching hairstyles. Here for you to style your hair at its best and become ready. Like and subscribe the channel for more useful, more trending ideas. You can visit our page, thewarlanders.com. Thank you.
Your soul.